Hey guys, today let's learn how to create text effects over on Adobe Firefly. So if you'd like to go ahead and create some text effects over on Adobe Firefly, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do just that step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So this is going to be pretty easy guys, because what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the firefly.adobe.com website and then tap on the text effects option. Now tap on generate. You can actually go ahead and generate your own text effects. Of course you could use specific text effects that you'd like, but firstly we need to type in the specific text that we want. So in this case I'm going to go ahead and just type in, let's say, Barbie, and we could also go ahead and describe the text effects that we would like to go ahead and add to our text. In this case I'm going to go ahead within the theme of what I just typed with the text, and let's say a pink Barbie inspired theme. So go ahead and tap on generate, and let's see if they can actually proceed with generating the preferred prompt that I want to go ahead with my text. And it's actually working well. As you see, it's slowly creating, and the pink Barbie inspired theme has been created. We could also go ahead and choose from different presets or some samples as well. We actually can choose from 4 given by us by Adobe Firefly, and it's that easy guys. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on to the next video. Take care.